In this video, I will tell you how to join our the Bitcoin Premium by using our premium board. Many members are facing problem how to use. It's easy and very easy. Step by step process, 3 to 4 steps you have to follow. Now, if you are not in our premium or in the Bitcoin free channel, the link given in description, go and join our free channel where you will get free updates of our signals, and sometime you will get free trial signals, and also mostly you will get a chart for trading, or this will be helpful for you in making profit. If you are facing problem how to use our premium board, this is our board. Let me show you the Bitcoin 537 premium board. When you will click here, first you have to click here, then this will appear. Or if you are first, if you are using for first, then you will have to click on start. Then you have to, after clicking start, you will see option like this menu or whatever. You have to click. If you are using for it firstly, then you have to click on start. If you have used it, and then click on menu. If here you will see click start plan, status contact, you have to select plans. Here you will see our premium plans. There are our premium plans of 30-day plans, 90-day plan, 180-day plan, 365-day plan, and lifetime plan. Our monthly 30-day plan is $20, and our 3-month plan is $55. Our 6-month is $99, and 1 year plan is $199, and lifetime plan is $499. If you have to select here, after clicking on plans, you have to select the plan. First of all, you have to select here. I'm selecting 1 month. After this, you will see payment method, BEP20 or TRC20. I'm selecting this TRC20. Do you have to do nothing else? Don't interpret your own commands in between doing these steps. These are 4 steps. Let me remind you. First of all, if you are using this board for first time, then click on start. If you have used on, then click on the menu, then select premium plans. After selecting premium plan, you choose your plan: monthly, 3 months, 6 months, yearly, or lifetime. After selecting your plan, you will see 2 options: BEP20 or TRC20. After selecting your payment method, bot will give you this. You have to click on this. It will be copied immediately. You don't have to copy. You just click here and it will be copied. Yeah, this is TRC20. After copying this, pay your fee, and I will check. I will check before approval. Let me tell you. After, for example, I have paid there, and I will send a screenshot. Let me remind you again. Yeah, you can see that. Read this. This is TRC20. Press cancel to return. If you want to return on the back menu, then press cancel, or submit your transaction screenshot after making transaction. Here I have made transaction. I am sending screenshot. I will send screenshot here. It will say for a few minutes, wait for a few minutes, because it will take a few time. Let me show you. If you will do that, we have forwarded your request to the admin for approval. This is the I am the admin, and here you can see that this is my own username, and I have get a approval option. I will check. This is payment. This is payment legit, and I will tell sorry, I will check transaction hash rate on something, and I have received payment. After checking everything, I will click approve. If the payment is fake, I will reject simply. After approval, let me show you. After approval, I have approved payment. Let me show. This will happen, and you have to wait for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Let me tell you, your validity has been extended. It will be say that your validity have been extended. If you are joining newly, then you will get a join option here. And for trading rules, refer to this message. For trading rule, you will be referred to this message. And if you are new, you will get a join option like here. This is a validity. I was also a member, that's why my validity has been extended. If you will not be a member, then you will get a join option. Sorry for my bad English. I have tried my best overall. If video is helpful, then click on the like option. If you have any question, then write down in comments box. If you are not in our free Telegram channel, then in description you will see our Telegram channel link. Go and join. If you are facing any problem, then you can comment down everything about your question.